So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix App Store missing on iPhone. So as you can see here, the App Store icon is missing on the iPhone. So to fix it, simply swipe down on the home screen like this. And now search for App Store. Now after this, long press this App Store icon and then tap on Add to home screen. And now this will add App Store to the home screen. In case if that doesn't fix the issue, then follow these steps. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here scroll down and then tap on screen time. Now here scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now in this menu, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. After this, tap on installing apps. Now make sure this is set to allow. In case if this is set to don't allow, then this will hide App Store icon from your iPhone. So this is how you can fix App Store icon missing from the iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.